Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some of the steps how to get bright underarms at your home. First, I'm sharing with you some of the reasons of dark underarms without wasting any time. My reason number one is shaving. Everyone don't get addicted to the shaving, or everyone, shaving don't suit to everyone. Reason number two is if you are using harsh chemical deodorants or perfumes. Reason number three is accumulation of dead skins. Reason number four is excessive sweat. Reason number five is hormonal imbalance. Now I'm going to share with you some of the preventions, and there can be many more reasons, but these are the main reasons. So my prevention one is occasional waxing is a good option compared to daily shaving. Prevention two is use alcohol-free deodorant, Nivea whitening roller. My prevention number three is exfoliate your body, including your underarms properly. Maybe you use DIY or you use any product. And the last prevention is take bath after coming from the gym and change your clothes properly. So guys, now I'm going to share with you some of the DIY hacks for lighter and brighter underarms, which I really follow, and actually it helped me to get lighter and brighter underarms as always. So I'm going to do two things. One, I'm going to make DIY scrub which will help you to lighten and brighten your underarms, and second is DIY underarm pack which will really help you, and it will show you result in a week to 15 days. It will give you a better result compared to before. So first you wear your old t-shirt and then steam your underarms with a warm water. Now step number two is exfoliation. For that I'm going to take 1 to 2 tablespoons of white sugar. You can go with the brown sugar also, and take 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of coffee, and I am going to put some of the coconut oil in it to moisturize it and to make it really very smooth. And guys, I will not suggest you to take salt in this scrub because salt actually irritates. And now I've exfoliated my underarms in bath because it was creating a lot of mess in my room. Now my step number three is underarm brightening pack, for which I'm going to take one cucumber, one potato, 1 to 2 tablespoon of curd, and 1 to 2 tablespoon of gram flour, and I am going to mix all these three things: curd, gram flour, and potato and cucumber juice, and just mix it well to make it a very good texture. It should neither be too much thick nor it should be thin. And I am going to apply a good layer of this underarm pack on my underarms, and go with a thick layer guys, okay? And I am leaving this pack for 15 to 20 minutes, and you guys, let your pack to be dry, let it do its work. You can do anything whatever you want, but first I'm going to wash my hands as it created a lot of mess on my hands. You can see, you can also use any applicator or brush for applying that pack on your underarms, but okay. Now my pack has been dried and I'm going to wash it after 20 minutes, and you can see that how better it gave me result. So guys, this is not that I am just going to do this scrub and underarm pack only for today for this video. I actually do it occasionally, like I go for waxing, I apply aloe vera gel for maintaining the hygiene of my underarms and to cool down the irritation whatever it happens. I never go with shaving because shaving irritates me on my underarms. I go with shaving on my complete body but not on my underarms. I apply Nivea whitening deodorants. I don't go for chemically and harsh deodorants on my underarms, and I go with this exfoliator and pack on my underarms to maintain the proper brighter underarms. So I hope that this steps actually helped you, and if this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like my video and comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't till now, and please share this video. Until my next video, bye bye, love you all.